Every company dreams of reaching the right audience at the right time, but advertising often feels complicated, expensive, and confusing. Step 1. Open your search engine and type GateCareer.com. Once the website opens, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the footer section, click on Advertiser. That's your entry point to start advertising with us. Step 2. Here, you'll see different advertising plans tailored to company needs. Need simple exposure? Want complete reach? We've got you covered. For this example, I'm choosing the all-in-one plan. Simply click Pay Now, fill in your company details. Contact person's name, email ID, phone number, company name, and official website. Once you confirm your payment, your request is submitted successfully. Step 3. Within 24 hours, our customer service team will personally contact you. Step 4. After approval, visit GateCareer.com again. Scroll down, click on Advertiser, and open your ad performance dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need. Your ad status, active or inactive. Daily performance data with trends over time, top performing pages where your ads appear. Geographic distribution. See which countries your ads are viewed in. And the recent activity log with your last 20 visitors, including action, date, time, country, and the page they viewed. It's simple. So, are you ready to take your brand to the next level? Advertising with GateCareer.com is not just effective. It's smart, affordable, and built for growth.